You want to take? I want to see what's inside.
Whoa. Okay, come on.
Okay, now that's gonna unbox it.
No. Oh, sister, come on. Let's tear from here.
Oh,
Just tear from here. I want to tear from here.
oh, yeah, gorilla! I am a gorilla. Ooh, I can see clearly. What is it? A knee pad and an elbow pad? Wow, I love it. It's so colorful. I love the pink color. I want to unbox it now.
Okay, just
Come
come on. Open it.
Where should we take
Oh,
it?
wait.
Oh, there's a sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got something.
Oh, wait. But where will we take it? Oh, you're a gorilla now.
Okay, it's open.
Oh, wow. Wait. This is a elbow pad, knee pad. Okay, wait. So this is a elbow pad. Nice. Oh. Huh?
What is this?
What is this? Friends, tell me in the comments what is this? Ta-da! Here you go. This is me.
Yes.
Oh, but at least my skates are not there. But someone is here. This is my skates. Woo! Woo! Hey, come on back! So now I'm so protective. Yes. So and also the skates will come later. I don't know where, but yeah, this is it. Oh wait, this is the drum I think. Okay, now we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Giggle Sisters. Bye.